person who is going to rotate the wheel, his team will not get the right to answer. In Mahabharata war, it is 1:1. Okay, so now I request Mr. Mankikar to come and draw a lot and decide who are the opponents. Only one. It is CISA versus CISM, C-Guide versus C-Risk. Okay, so now CISA one team member get up and go and rotate the wheel. So it is 1:1. Anybody knows what is a Chakravyuha, by the way? Huh? What is a Chakravyuha?
Labyrinth.
Huh?
Labyrinth.
Okay.
Labyrinth.
Madam, you have to come this side. Okay. So it is a type of field formation. But why did Chakravyuha become so famous? Huh? Easy to go in, difficult to come out. So when we debated for information security, it was the same story. All of you agree with me? The principle of Mahabharata is maybe old, but the principles are even now the same. It's exactly the same thing. So, madam, please rotate with all your force. Hope you had lunch. Okay, so we should go to CISM. The answer has to be given by CISM. Okay, the question is on security.
And there is no passing in this?
No passing, and bonus is 15. Because Chakravyuha round, bonus is 15 if you get this answer straight. So what is this one? Security. Okay. This is from a very important security framework. Madam, you can come and sit back. This is from a very, very important security framework. Identify this security framework. If everybody agree, I can give you a clue. If all the participants agree. Huh? You don't agree. I can't do anything about it. But there's no pass for this. There is only bonus directly. There is no pass. Huh?
Agree.
Agree. Desi. This is pure Desi standard. This is pure Desi standard. Yes, quick, or I pass it to the audience. Okay. Yes, madam. Here, 1 minute. Mic has to come. You have. Give the mic.
DSCI?
Correct. What is the full form? DSCI?
Data Security Council of India.
Data Security Council of India has brought in a new standard, which is called the DSCI Security Standard. Good one. Next. Yes. Now, good one. CISM. You have to rotate the wheel for CISA. My God, it has gone to securities again. So, standards. Okay. The question is for whom? CISA. Okay. How do we know ISO 22301? Absolute sitter. Absolute sitter. Fast.
Business continuity management.
Full. This one I want. Standard. Old standard. Old standard I want. Old standard. Keep quiet. Absolute sitter. 15 points.
25999.
25999. Good. Okay, the next team. C-Guide. C-Guide. Please go and rotate the wheel. This is some defect, manufacturing defect. Okay, security standard. Now what is it? Utilities. It is for C-Risk. Okay, 15 points. It is utilities, right? All of us know this. Enough chicken we had in life. Okay, now tell me what is this? IP chicken. What has chicken to do with information security? Quick, quick. The timer has started. Quick. I thought this is an absolute sitter. Quick. Audience, one person, their last blue shirt. Speaker, please.
Shredding.
Shredding, good heavens. Next. No, speaker, without speaker, don't speak. Mic, rather.
Alarm system.
Alarm system, good heavens. No networking guys here? You are a speaker or a sponsor? You are from which company? Huh? You're not a speaker, you're a delegate. Okay, give it here. Quick, quick, quick.
It helps to identify the IP address from where
Whose IP address? I'm looking for a specific answer.
source IP,
Which one? LAN or WAN?
WAN IP.
WAN IP. Brilliant answer. Okay, good. I thought everybody knew this answer. If you want to check a WAN IP of your MTNL router or modem, whatever it is, the simplest way is go and do IP chicken. It's one of the simplest mechanisms to know your WAN IP. Okay, I thought this was an absolute sitter. Okay, now we have got audience questions. Sorry. Okay, one more is there. Sorry. Yeah, risk. The risk. What is left is risk. One minute. You don't have to do anything, sir. I told you in the beginning, I've given a disclaimer. Okay. Whenever we talk of risk, this is the most important motherhood statement of all risk management. If you are talking about risk, रात को 12 बजे उठ के भी you should know about this. Correct? This is to whom? Yes, sir. Tell me. Sorry. Tell me. What is the question? What the question is, 1 minute. What is the framework from where this? What I want the full name of the framework. From which framework this is being taken? Quick, quick. Which is this framework? Yes. Please give it there. This mic there. I want the full name. I will not allow with half name.
Committee of Sponsoring Organization.
Sorry. That is not the answer. I want the full name, I said.
It's a Committee of Sponsoring Organizations of the Tradeway Commission.
No, I am asking the name of this publication.
This is COSO.
COSO is an organization. What is this document name?
Internal Control Framework.
Huh?
Internal Control Framework.
अभी इतना देर के 15 पॉइंट जाने के बाद आ गया. Internal Control Integrated Framework by COSO, the latest one. Okay. So, only chocolates we can give, right? Nothing else. Okay, now this is the audience round. No, first audience round, then the score. Okay, you have to take that slip. Okay, certificate for the audience round. Okay, this is not to the participants, this is to the audience. Firefox has an add-on, Passive Recon. Can anybody? That we will tell them. How many of you are aware of that Firefox browser has an add-on called Passive Recon? Can anybody tell me at least one function of this Passive Recon? It has got a lot of functions. At least one function of this Passive Recon. Nobody? Very bad. You can look at the server where it is located. Okay, when we do systems audit, many a times we do not know where the server is located. With this Passive Recon, you have got so many functions like DNS, email, enumeration, Google, IP. This is one of the best things. So when we selected the questions, I also told for the quiz competition, as I said, each of these questions is an auditor need to know, nothing nice to know. All of you agree? So if you want to look at a server where this site is, whether you want to see where yahoo.com's server resides, using Passive Recon and Netcraft, you will get the entire history, including your XXS vulnerabilities, OWASP, top term, everything is available on this site. Unfortunately, no winners. for this round. Okay, can we have the scores, please? Okay, so now see, 1 minute, 1 minute. Keep it on. Okay, give a good clap, big clap. So my God, it's going to be a tiebreaker now. Okay, CISA is on 15, C-Risk is on 15, CISM is on 10, and CGUIDE is on 10. Correct? Shall we move to the next round? Okay, this is a buzzer round. Please, buzzers, please. Everything is branding, sir. Just keep it, don't do any, no quiz question on that buzzer now. The make or the model. Just first check it out. Switch off, switch back. Just each of you test your buzzers. Sound is not there. Okay. 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 The technology of this buzzer is if one person strikes it first, the other three will not come. Okay. So nanoseconds also matter. Okay. Now. Rules is 10 for how much? 10 for this one, no passing, it will go to the audience. -5. Okay, buzzer round, you have got -5. So be careful, don't try your lottery straight away. Okay, aaj acha din hai, horoscope says good day today, don't try your buzzer. Okay? Okay, the first question. Identify the threat. The biggest threat as per recent reports, Cisco 2008 defines this threat. This threat existed from the times of Mahabharata and will continue to exist for years and years together. What is this threat I am referring to? Who's that? Okay. Insider threat. Brilliant. Insider threat. Okay, that is one of the best answers. And I always keep telling my friends in Big Four, please stop doing research. Okay. The insider threat, if I have to tell again, the context is Mahabharata, so I have to tell you the insider threat. Duryodhana is the CEO, the head of strategy is Bhishma, the head of technology is Karna. The head of technology and head of strategy don't see eye to eye. Fact of life. Fact of life. Correct? And head of technology takes an oath. As long as the head of strategy is there in the Mahabharata war battlefield, I will not enter the battlefield. Correct? Is it a fact of life? Had Karna and Bhishma was there on the first day in the Mahabharata war, the story would have been different. Correct? So I tell all my friends, don't go on writing about insider threat, insider threat, insider threat. It will go on happening for ages together. Write some other topic other than insider threat. Okay? Now, the next. Good. Buzzers have been unlocked. Now connect. These are 3 important logos. Please try to connect the 3 and tell what this is all about. Quick. Nobody. Nobody. Anybody from the audience? 1 minute, I have not given chance to him. Just give it to this gentleman.
These 3 are massive online education sites.
Okay, I'll give it to you. Good answer. It is called MOOC, M-O-O-C, massive open online courses. It's a brilliant answer. Every ISACA member should become a part of it. They have got one more domain called Systems and Securities, where you can do all your courses free of charge. Okay, CISA certificate costs you 25,000 rupees. Information security on EDX or Coursera costs you nothing, only your time. It's one of the best sites. Even EDX has got something on information security. Coursera also has got something on information security. Yes, yes, please give a prize. Yes, audience prize. Name, please, who said that answer? Yes, please tell your name and organization. Yes, mic please, mic please.
I am Aditya Verma from State Bank of India.
Sir, banker to every Indian is everywhere. Okay, Aditya Verma from State Bank of India. Good. The next one. Yes, no of announcing. You give it, it will be viral. The price will be viral. Don't worry about that. Okay, now. Okay, founded in 1901 and now a part of the US Department of Commerce. One of the oldest physical science laboratories in the US. All of us know by its publication detail series. Yes. NIST, good one, good. NIST series, good one. Next. Buzzer is reset. Sound is not coming properly. Okay, just check that. Okay. Next. The next question. This is on standards. Okay, this is a tough one. Let me see how you are cracking it. All racks and cabinets should be labeled from front and back. This should be a permanent part of the cabinet or rack. For rooms with access floors, each rack and cabinet to have a unique identifier based on the floor tile coordinates. The location of the floor space grid where the right front corner of the cabinet is located determines the identifier. Please tell me from which standard am I referring this to? -5 if you write the buzzer. You want to take a lottery, you can take. Yes? Anybody from the audience? Yes, please give it to Atul. Atul Gosar, right?
Uptime, is it uptime?
No, sorry. Yes. Somebody there. Sinker, Mr. Sinker, if I'm not mistaken. Did I get your name right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Data
tell me.
center standards.
Huh?
Data center standards.
What data center standards? You got hundreds of data center standards. What data center standard? There, Manish Naik, please. Last row.
Is it TIA 942, Building Management Standards?
You reached somewhere near, but it is not 942. The first half is correct. So we should give him a prize.
Okay.
Okay. The answer is TIA 606. You will be surprised to know that even how a cable has to be numbered, how an access rack has to be maintained, how the racks have to be labeled, so much of minor details have been detailed in TIA 606, which is a very important standard as far as data center definition is concerned. Okay, the next one. This is an absolute sitter. Let us see who is fast on the buzzer. It's an absolute sitter. The SOX framework has generated a lot of employment to a lot of people. I am not going to tell. Let them answer. Tell me, what's the answer?
Auditors.
Huh?
Auditors.
No.
No,
-5.
it's
Nothing doing, sir.
GLB. SOX GLB.
Over. Only one chance. Let me complete. So, still it is open to the other three, it is not open to you. Okay, because you hit the buzzer, it is open to the other three. No, it's not. Why? You already hit the buzzer. Okay, so you're disqualified, it is open to other three. Now, because you did it before the question, because they have a right to know the full question. Okay, which is the most important section of SOX which has created a mountain out of the molehill? Yes. Clause 404. Good. Yes. Okay. Clause 404 is the one thing which has created a lot of employment for a lot of people. With one statement, you make so much of documentation, so much of things. Ultimately, if it has to fail, it definitely will fail. Murphy's law. Okay. The next one. Okay. This is also a good one. This is again something to do with a framework. Again, don't answer. This buzzer is not put off. Technical fault. वो Chinese वाला होगा. Okay. Is it okay or you want a spare? Okay. Backup buzzer. Okay. So, okay, this is what we are going to talk. Huh? Wait. 1 minute. Is it okay? Okay. Try this. Okay, fine. Okay. Now, this is also another interesting framework question. Operational risk is defined as the risk of loss resulting from inadequate or failed internal ... It was there in Ravi's one of the slides, the clue. It was there in Ravi's one of the slides. Okay, I'll give you one clue. It is from Basel 2. The clue is Basel 2. Silence, please. Anybody? Quick, I can give you 5 more seconds. You can build up the answer, very, very simple answer. Bankers should know it. Absolute sitters, tell me. Processes, controls, supervision. Sorry, -5.